guys, Dr. G here. I haven't done a video like this for a while. Today I'm going to restore these Nike Air Force Ones. They are pretty beat up, as you can see. So I'm going to time lapse the video and let you see what work I can do. But this is my passion, this is what I love to do. I love restoring things to look new. Say, these trainers, customers want to throw them away. Look, because they're all creased, they're scuffed. No need to throw them away. I think I'll go and buy a new pair. You'll see at the end of this post how they'll turn out. Try and convince you, don't throw things away when me, Dr. G, can restore things for you. So, let's get into it. Peace. Now both trainers are clean. They are, these ones here, they're drying away nicely. So once they're dry, the next thing to do is to start repainting the midsole. As you can see, it's not as white as what it should be. The products I used for the deep clean is a sneaker stain remover and a sneaker cleaner, all from the sneaker laundry in Australia, in Melbourne. I also use their brushes as well. I'm not getting paid, I'm not affiliated with them, but I wanted to show you what I use because I believe that they are, for me, the best out there in the industry, and I've tried loads of different products. So once they're dry, get on and we'll do some painting. Here we go. If you need any work doing, give us a DM. I'll be more than happy to undertake any project. As you can see, no longer need to go in the bin. So if you like this video and you'd like to see some more, please give us a like or leave a comment underneath, and that will give me some sort of idea if it's the sort of thing you'd like to see in the future, or if there's any sort of trainers or shoes you would like to see done. I'm happy to help there. For example, gents shoes, these were beat up and now they've been restored had a patina put on them, and they're looking better than what they were when they came out the shop, I think. So, right, till next time, leave your comments, give us a like, and let us know if you want to see any more. Till next time, peace. What's going on, guys? Dr. G here.